Welcome, in front of me is ZTE Nubia music, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. Next, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset Options. From here you want to choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and just generally user data. If you have anything like that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already done the copy or you just simply don't want to, you can select Erase All Data from the bottom. It just lets you know that it will basically remove all that through the reset. So again, make sure that you have backed up everything that you want to. And if you did, select Erase All Data a second time, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take about 2 minutes to finish up or so. And once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is finally finished. I can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.